What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Wigs to Waist Length, and thank you for tuning in. As always, if you are interested in more videos like this, more tutorials, more styling on video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and of course drop me a line in the comment section below. And of course, if you're new to the channel, welcome, girl or guy, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the love. So this video is on a unit sent to me by Mychicwigs. As always, their information will be in the description box down below. So I really wanted to try and not be so team baby hair. So I definitely tried to make this hairline as soft as possible, which you are seeing here. So it was a little bit of a struggle with me adjusting the baby hairs and getting them to my liking, but I do think it came out pretty okay. I'm actually really happy with how soft the hairline came out on this unit. I know a few people have asked what I use on my parts to get them to look natural, and right now I'm using my foundation by Too Faced in the color Hazelnut, or I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso. And when I tell you, I literally use not even a period size, like seriously a very small amount, and I usually just brush that through and it does the job. I've found that my pressed powder actually is a little too red, so I'm looking for a pressed powder, but until then I think I'll just stick to those two.
Yeah, if I ever told you that I had better, yeah, you know I got you.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Wigs to Waist Length. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl. And of course, all my social media links will be in the description box down below. And here we are with another wig review. If you are interested in the unit, then I'll definitely leave a direct link to Mychicwigs in the description box down below, and also a direct link to this wig. So if you missed it in the beginning, this is their lace front deep curly wig in 18 inches. It does have 150% density. Long story short, I did record this earlier and the lighting was horrible. Originally, this was going to be part of my Learn With Me series, and I'm basically just cutting this wig. I really don't have that much experience in shaping a wig, but I do know the best way to do it is always start long, and you definitely want to cut in short, even bursts, so this way you don't end up with a funky cut. I do not have this hairline fully secured, and I think your girl did a good job. I'm actually really happy with this wig. No real complaints about the unit. I did wash it and of course bleach the knots, and the bleach actually took really well to this unit, but for the most part it did come out super natural. I did pluck the hairline on this unit, but the hairline is so legit. Girl, this is such a natural looking hairline. Decide to test my limits and not do so much baby hairs. I wanted to see if I could just leave it really subtle, you know, just some kind of side swept hairs, a few flyaways here. I think that makes it look so much more natural. This is the ideal length for me. I absolutely love the length on this wig, and I absolutely love the density. For it being 150%, this is actually a really good density wig. Now the curls do swell up on this wig, so lately I have been really actually digging you know, the kind of messy, carefree look. I'm kind of abandoning the wet look and, you know, forcing these wigs to do what they don't want to do. I'm working with the wigs in their natural style and just shaping it accordingly. No real shedding with this wig, only when I washed it, but wearing it here and there, I have really not had that much issue with shedding. Tangling, a little bit of tangling in the back, but nothing that's just like alarming to me. Nothing that you can't just run through with your fingers. So seriously, when I tell you this is probably one of the most easiest wigs, human hair wigs, frontal wigs that I have installed. Really happy with the outcome of this unit. I think it looks super natural. You could, girl, this all you, boo-boo. So if you guys are interested in the unit, I'll definitely leave a direct link to Mychicwigs in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, definitely drop them as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, share this video, girl. Say it with me. We are 4K to 20K. Share this video with your family, your friends, your mom, your sister, your cousin. Share the love. And of course, don't forget to check out the video here or here and hit that subscribe button for your girl. And you guys know what I say. Make sure you wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.